Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify. So let's dive right in. Open the Spotify desktop app and head to your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings. Scroll down until you see Local Files. Click the toggle to turn on Show Local Files. Now, under Show Songs From, you can choose the folders where your music is stored. By default, Spotify uses your downloads and music folders, but you can click Add a Source to select other locations. Once you've chosen your folders, head back to the Spotify homepage. You should see a new option called Local Files in the left-hand menu. Click on it. Here you'll see all the music files from the folders you selected. Find the song you want to add and right-click on it. In the menu, choose Show in Playlist. This will open a list of your playlists. Select the playlist where you want to add the song. Now, whenever you open that playlist, your local song will be there alongside your regular Spotify tracks. You can play it, skip it, and even add it to other playlists, just like any other song. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.